Dokily video 4. I'm going to first of all target the player by looking at nothing. F2, left click, and there's a new command. If I'm targeting the player, you can target whatever character you want. Just type in Deus Ex, and that's God mode. So now you can fly, and you got maxed out skills, and you cannot die. In case, you know, I used to fall to my death while I was editing the map a lot, so but the flying is annoying because then you can't really slide on objects, but whatever. I'll fix that. You know, last time I told you how to make a new yeah, the flying's annoying. Target player flying equals 0. Okay. So last time I taught you how to mod the main story, and I showed you how to copy the main story's assets to make a mod. Now here's how you start a new story. F2, left click, just type in new story. And it's going to ask you if you want to delete the entire story. Yes, I do. So now everything is blank. Okay. So, first of all, F1, we can see the story name. We have to give it a name. Right now it's blank, so it won't let us save the story. So let's give it a name. Let's just call it Brigand Brigand New. Changing the story name will also change the assets folder. Assets folder not found. So it's using the default assets folder. That's fine for now because I'm not going to change any of the scripts. I'm just going to keep using the world editor here. Map properties. So you can do all this with the F1 editor. Map properties. It's pretty self-explanatory. Map name. You have to give it a name for it to save. So I'm going to call this. Let's call it rat hole. I don't know. And script, map script, I'll just call it, ticker is the default script. So that should change the, all the, skybox and terrain. Right now I'm going to give it no script. If you type in none, that's no script. So it's just everything's gonna stay the same. It won't change depending on the time of day. Time won't even pass now because there's no map script. All right, so I'm going to make a basic object. Make building 1. Okay. Now this building can be found in the assets, default, objects. Scroll down. We have building 1. It is a DBO file. It's basically the same thing as an X file, but it loads slightly faster. There's a program to convert X to DBO, but you can use X files also. X files are fine. Scully's hot. It's all good. And so this is building 1. If I target it, I press F2 to enter the editor. Here's me targeting it. You can see the information at the top. Building 1 is the name of the tag. It's called the object tag. Building 1. That's the folder name, basically. If you want to give it a name, right now it has no name, so you cannot interact with it. It's just an obstacle. So basically, I'll show you. Yeah. So there's two terrain. I'll end this video. Get right back to you.